we are in Indonesian stall. Indonesia is the most of population Muslim country in the world after Pakistan. So in the past period, Indonesia was Buddhist country. So all of things that I want to explain in this place will be Buddhist culture.
How you feel about the Pakistanis and Pakistani people and Pakistani culture?
Oh, Pakistani culture and Pakistani people was great.
Okay.
So we have similar culture. It's because we are a Muslim country, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why was amazing. Pakistan was amazing. So the first things that I want to spotlight is the weather. Indonesian only have two weather, right?
Okay.
Rainy and summer.
Okay.
That's why we cannot live in winter area.
Okay.
I have tried biryani chicken biryani,
Okay.
pakora, samosa.
Okay.
Yeah, it was amazing. This one called batik, one of traditional fabric from Indonesia. So if you want to know, batik, the artist who made this, we're not using modern tools such as machine or something like that. We use our hand. So it is the handmade. So we usually use it for decoration like that, or sometimes we use like this for clothes or decoration. So the next things, this one, umbrella. We usually use it in Indonesia for summer, that was I told you before. Indonesia have two seasons, summer and winter, summer and rainy either. We usually use it for like this. Yeah, like this. So we want to spotlight the batik motif here. The motif batik here.